Hey guys, so I am here with an unboxing video, a very special unboxing video because this is the Ulta Beauty Collective welcome kit and it is huge and kind of heavy. So I'm really excited to see what is inside. Thank you again for everyone who sent congratulatory messages and posts. You guys just don't even understand how much that means to me. I'm really excited about this opportunity. And yeah, this is going to be a crazy, wild ride for the next year. And so make sure you follow hashtag UB Collective and, of course, Being Just Melody to see everything about it. But I'm telling you guys, like, more stuff is coming. It's going to be pretty awesome. So let's get started. This could not fit in the box, in the orange box. It did come in the actual package. And this is the Pattern on the Go kit from Pattern, which is the hair care line by Tracee Ellis Ross, who I absolutely adore. And so I've been rocking my braids for a while, but I'm gonna have to take them out eventually. So when I do, I cannot wait to try this. All right, so let's get started with the box. Oh my God, it's huge, y'all. It's huge. So much stuff in here. It's because it's pretty heavy. So let's see. Whew. All right. Step one, gasp. That's true. That's what it says on the box. Yeah. Okay. Gas. Document and enjoy. So here we go. So much stuff in here. Okay. Let's see. So it's a gift card in here. But you'll learn more about that soon. And then let's see what we got. Okay. Nail polish applique. This is from Coco. That's pretty cool. So you just put this right on your nails. I wear acrylics, but I wonder if they work for that. Or I'm going to have to let my fingers breathe at some point. Let's see what we have. Tarte Man Eater mascara. Can never have enough mascara. This is the Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara. Can never, like I said, you just never have too much mascara because it dries, and for sanitary reasons, you don't want to keep them that long. I think like 6 to 8 weeks is really the max. So the more the mascara, the better. This is the Beauty Bakery Illuminator and So Icy. That's cute. I love this packaging. How cute is that? Too Faced Lip Injection. This is the Ultimate Lip Plumper. Then there is It brushes by Ulta. This is your Superheroes full-size 6-piece face and eye travel brush kit. So can never have too many brushes, and a good brush kit that I can set aside strictly for travel will make my life a lot easier, because I do kind of really use my travel kit as my everyday kit now, just because I had been moving around so much. Then we have NARS blush. Look at that. This is Orgasm. That's a staple. This is a beauty staple. If you don't have Orgasm, you always gotta have Orgasm. And before, Drake made it a thing. A beauty blender, which again, can never have too many of those. Love beauty blenders. Oh gosh, where do I keep going? Okay, so this is the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick. So a liquid lipstick is called Basic. So it's a brownish color, I'm assuming, in the packaging. Then we have the Chocolates by Juvia. This is a sleek and beautiful hand-picked nudes and rich browns to create stunning eye looks. An eye palette. And then we have the Peter Thomas Ross Potency Power Serum. This, you guys, seriously, this stuff is so good. Live by my Peter Thomas Roth stuff. I love Peter Thomas Roth, and this Potency collection I've had for a while. I definitely could use a new bottle, so I'm excited about that because this is miracle worker. Love the vitamin C. Just very great for brightening your skin. Oh, I'm excited to see this. This is from The Ordinary. I have this, so this will now be a backup. This is the AHA plus BHA peeling solution. And this is really so cost effective. It is not very expensive at all. The Ordinary brand is pretty cool and affordable. Then we have the Florence by Mills Zero Chill Face Mist. So I'm assuming it has a chilling effect. Oh gosh, what else? So this is the Kanika. I hope I'm saying that right. Kanika. This is the Minis Hydration Face Kit. So it has a face cream, lip balm, and eye balm. Can't wait to try that. Then we have Brush Bath. This is a brush cleaner spray. That's pretty awesome. The Unicorn CBD. This I'm excited about because I almost bought it. I literally almost bought this the other day when I went to Ulta. So this is the Whipped Butter Soothe and Glow. Ooh. This is by Truly. And it's really cool. Look, it's like whipped cream in there. Or not whipped cream, like a whipped. Oh yeah, I guess whipped cream. Then we have the Ulta Beauty Stay Cheeky Liquid Blush. 2 colors. So I have like a mauve and a pink. Liquid blushes. Then we have the Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. Love a good lip oil. Use lip oils a lot at night before I go to bed. Then we have the Tula Skincare Glow and Get Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Can't wait to try that. Anything for the eyes I need in my life. Looks like we have some MAC. Did you know they sold MAC in Ulta? Yes, they do. So we have the Blankety. This is the Amplified Cream Lipstick in Blankety. And then we also have the matte lipstick in Whirl. That is a really good color. I love that color. Burning Love. This is the Powder Kiss lip powder. Yeah, Powder Kiss lipstick. Powder Kiss lipstick. Say that 10 times fast. And so we have Style Shocked and Burning Love. So those are the 2 colors. And these are by Fourth Ray Beauty. So this is Rainfall. This is a 2% hyaluronic acid serum. And then we have a matcha face milk. Oh, I'm excited about that. This is the Lake and Sky. And this is a perfume oil. Yeah, perfume oil. Getting down to the bottom here. Now we are at the Urban Decay. This is the All-Nighter spray. Again, staple. Go-to. Love that. Happy to have some more. And the Jaclyn Hill palette. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This is volume 2. Pretty cool. So I've seen this, but I didn't pick a volume 1, but yeah, interesting. This is a big old palette. I love it. So yeah, so that is everything that came in the box. Again, like I said, make sure that you follow all of the other influencers that are on the UB Collective. There's one from every state. I'm here in Louisiana. And then we also will be showing stuff throughout the entire year. So it's going to be great. So make sure you are, following hashtag UB Collective. Of course, being just Melody, which is anything me. So if you have any questions, just reply and let me know. I'm really excited about this. And so, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.